much po, ma'am, sa napakagandang feedback. Okay, so dalawang kamay lang po. Itin mo po. Tingin lang po sa harap. Wala ka namang kinatatakutan. Animal. Pero, ano yun? Tiger. Ay, tiger, wala. So, malayo yun. Kapit-bahay namin. Wala ka naman pong sakit sa puso.
Wala.
Open-hearted ka nun, hindi naman po.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Happy?
Happy?
Kung happy ka na.
Happy single.
Happy single. Single na lang tayo para iwas hassle, char. Steady lang po, mama. The smallest python in the world that can only be found in Africa. Myth, the ball python, aka the royal or the crown python. Tinawag silang crown python because they use as pets for all these ancient Egyptians. And they have a characteristic curling like a bow as a defense mechanism to their predator. Ball python are non-venomous creatures too. So, safe na safe po sila. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, sir, halika na po.